Orchis, your one-stop shop for all your car interiors and car covers. Hello everyone, my name is Saurabh Prabhu and this is my first experience in getting a seat cover for my car. I have a Tata Nexon which I have bought recently, and I did a Google search for some of the best car cover manufacturers, and I found Orchis. I came here with a lot of apprehension, but the experience was absolutely fantastic. The staff here went through all the design patterns, all the shades, and guided me on the right choice. Finally, I selected a material which is called marigold, which I felt was best for my car, and the staff helped me to come up with a mixed design which was not there in any of the books. So we agreed on something which we felt would be good for my car, and the rates were very reasonable. The next day when I came to pick up my car, the result was far better than what I had expected, and I'm absolutely happy with the end product. So I would highly recommend Orchis for you. Please go ahead.